For example 3, it says, what is the area of the triangle? Round to the nearest thousandths. Okay, so for this one, it's not a right triangle, and so we cannot figure out the height of this triangle using other methods that we know, like Pythagorean theorem. So we have this special formula we can use to help solve if we're given the angle measurement. So it says the area of the triangle is 1/2, and then it's B times C. Well, that's the two side lengths next to the angle given. So we're going to say that 12 is B, 21 is C. And then you multiply that by sine of the angle. And so if it was me, what I would do is I would go ahead and do 12 times 21, and that gives me 252. And then I would cut that in half, divide that by 2. So that gives me 126. So now I would go ahead and multiply the 126 times sine 48 in my calculator. So you can see here. So I did the 126 times sine 48, and that gives me 93.63. You do want to make sure that your mode is in degrees. Okay. And we have 93.63. Actually, let's go out a little further. So 6362. Because it says round to the nearest thousandth. So if I round to the nearest thousandth, this 2 makes the 6 stay. So 93.636 centimeters squared. Okay, so for part B, again, area of 1/2 times the sides next to the angle, so 10 times 16 times sine of the angle. So 10 times 16 would be 160. And then if I take 160 divided by 2, we would get 80. So now I am taking 80 times sine 34. And that gives me 44.7354. That 4 makes the 5 stay. So we have 44.735 inches squared. And number 4, find the area of an irregular figure. What is the area of the figure? Okay, so this one we have to find two parts. So first, let's find the area of the square. So that would be 6 times 6. So 6 squared is 36. Okay. Then find the area of a triangle. So the base is 6 and the height is 8. So base times height divided by 2. So half of 48 is 24. Okay. The third step is to add both measurements together. So the area of the entire figure would be 36 plus 24, and that is a total of 60 inches squared.